Yeah, use about 2 bottles of water. But get some spring water, right? This is your bone broth. Get some good quality spring water, and you fill the pots up. And again, most of the compounds we're trying to get is the collagen and gelatin from the chicken feet paws and chicken paws. And the turkey neck bone is for some proteins and amino acids and some flavor. It's gonna give it some nice thickness. And we'll add some other things in there, turmeric and some ginger and some garlic, a little bit of black pepper, and of course some ghee. We'll come back, in a little bit as this cooks down. We're gonna take a squirt, a little bit of maybe 2 tablespoons in each pot of some apple cider vinegar with the mother, because you need to do this to help pull the minerals from the bones and from the chicken paws. All right, so you put a little splash in each one. Once it starts to come to a little bit of a slight boil, turn it down and simmer 8 hours, 10 hours. 10 hours is actually better. And this is the finished bone broth. I'll strain out some of the chicken paws, leave some of the turkey bits in there, and have a nice broth. And collagen, this is for collagen for your bones, your joints, prostate, reduce inflammation in the body. Collagen is one of the most prolific. Oh, that's my albedo. That's my onion. My onion soup at the back. I gotta turn it down. Onion tea. Turn that down. Yeah, I had this cooking all night, actually. All night. Bone broth is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory foods, in my opinion. The collagen, the gelatin, the amino acids, it just helps your body to rebuild. As you're over 35, 40 now, you start feeling those knees and the back, right? The bones are rubbing together more, your connective tissue has been wearing down. And if you're not eating well, then you're not be able to replace and rebuild it well. And then you have minerals that have been extracted, from the slow simmering. You use the vinegar for that. That's going to support deeper healing in your body, okay? Restoring strength, Have you decided making your own bone broth yet? Or are you still buying it from the stores? That's got a lot of sodium in it, right? Leave it in the comments. Who's making their own bone broth? Or are you buying store-bought? Or none at all, but this can be a nice tool in your tool belt for reducing inflammation in your body and bringing more optimal health to your body. And make sure you mix this, you stack it with the golden elixir, okay? That's the turmeric-based formula. I put that up. I made a video a couple of days about that. So these things work better together, okay? Let's get healthy.